Okay guys, hindi na can your pet. I am cat. Okay guys, let's start. Bro! Okay, let's make grandma angry. So I made her angry earlier without posting a video like this. So let's do this. I can make her angry and I'll put this in her face. You will laugh so hard. Like so. Hello? You want this? Oh shit. What? Bro, get out of my face! Ah! Pinalo ako.
Ay, kainin mo yung donut mo, Ben?
Hindi.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo? Bakit?
Wali. Bro, why did I fucking die? I don't have to do this chores. I know what I'm doing, bro. I'm making grandma angry because it's so funny. Woo! Everything will go back, you know. If you die, everything will go fucking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello. I'm a visitor. California girls, she's on the girls. Bro, what the Grandma was so fucking angry at me, bro. Oh, let me get the balloon. Bro, why are you still here? California. This is great. What is this? Okay, what is this for? Is this grandma's bangko? Mama! Tingnan mo! May bangko si grandma. Mayaman pala siya. Bro, grandma has a lot of money. I can guess. What will I put here to open grandma? Hey, grandma! I have a surprise for you. Grandma, where do you think you're going? I'm looking for you. I can find you. Oh. What did I just do? What the no, California girls. Hello. Oh, she recovered. Oh, hell no, I'm dead. Ah!
Yung sleeper mo, baba mo yan kasi madumi. Madumi yan. Hindi na ako sakuan.
May ibabato ako kay grandma. California girls. Say. Hoy, grandma. Pa. Lutuin ko si grandma. Ay, papaluin na ako. California. Konnichiwa daw. Konnichiwa! Ano daw? Hindi siya makasalita na mabuti dahil matanda na. Orange. Orangge. Tingnan mo. Wow. Guys, may papakita ako kay Grandma. May papakita mo na ako kay Grandma ha, guys. Oh, ito na lang ibabato ko. Tapos ito naman ibabato ko kay Grandma. Alam ko, papaluin niya ako pero walang puli. Hindi naman niya ako kayang paluin. Takbo, papaluin ng California girl. Hulilig siya ilan. Electric skin is on top. That's haray mo. Ma! Ako kasi ganito. Char. Sorry guys, nagtatawanan lang kami ng mama ko. Sige, bye guys.